Welcome to Gumera's Garage. Today we're installing a brand new catback exhaust on this Hyundai Genesis. Let's get to work.
If this video helpful, please consider subscribing, like, and sharing so we can grow this channel and help more people. Thank you for your support.
It's a cutback exhaust. Alright, so what we have here, Hyundai Genesis. We're gonna install a catback exhaust because of exhaust is rusty. It's right here. So here's the muffler. Here's the exhaust that's been butchered, and here is the problem. Right there, right. So this is completely rusted, and so we're gonna have to replace everything from muffler all the way to the middle there, all the way to here. And the replacement here is the aftermarket cutback exhaust. It's right here. So it's got this setup is a muffler delete, because as you can see, it's just a piece of pipe instead of a muffler right here. So this is a muffler delete cutback exhaust, and that's what we're going to put on this Hyundai Genesis. Let's do it. Hey, that's done. So now I have to hammer it a little bit. There you go. Oh, just like this. Alright, so now that's separated. Now we're going to go the rubber. Rubber and all that. So this rubber here we have to remove. Okay, so to remove that you can use a pry bar, but you have to lubricate this. Put some WD-40 or something. Right, just to lubricate the rubber. Let's see if I can use this. If I have a tool for this, but there you go. It's not that bad. So that's that. Since the muffler is not holding anymore for this pipe because they're completely separated, so now we just have to kind of pull this out, and this should be held down. There you go. It should come down. That's it. Here's your pipe. So now I'm gonna have to remove the muffler next. Now to remove the muffler, you have two hanger there that you have to remove. One here and one over there, obviously. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna put some WD-40 again. And I think I'm gonna use my my tool for this hanger. So here's the tool for the hanger. Right, you can get this online. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna have to clamp it like that. It should come out. Alright, there you go. Ooh, it's not even that tight. It's just dropped by itself. Alright. So that's that. So here's the situation. So now we're ready to put the new pipe. So let's do that. So before you do anything, make sure you clean this, because there's still a gasket there left over. You don't want to put the new one in it, it's gonna leak. So we're gonna have to remove and polish this flange. There you go. So just remove all those flakes. We're gonna pop it up. Okay, now you have to. So obviously this is not really flat, right? Now you have to put some cement. See that there? That turns to cement in that right. And that way it will cover all those uneven surfaces. But you have to clean it first. So we're gonna start putting the back pipe or muffler side. So we're gonna start from the back all the way to the front. Alright, there you go. So that's what it looked like. Just a little bit. Not much clearance, but we'll see you put the other piece. So now we're gonna do this piece here. You see, there's two holes here. Obviously, you just need one hole. I'm just gonna use this the closest one. Right, that's what it's gonna look like. So alright, so this is the problem with this kit. As you can see, they're not aligned, way off. To fix this, we gotta have to do some modification, and if you just force this to align by itself, the muffler would be crooked, would hit the bumper if you force this to align, and that's a problem with this exhaust. Alright, so I got it done. Installed these cut back delete, right? So this is what it looked like. See the company name here. If you're interested, that's what the company name. And I still have to remove the plastic, so as you can see now it's straight. Before this side it would hit the bumper, so be careful when you're ordering this specific cutback. So my solution was so as you can see here, so now everything is in the right spot. So the solution I did is I have to cut there on this part, and then weld the flange, I mean not weld, bolt the flange, and then kind of mark it of how much the gap that I need. So I cut the whole thing here, I mark it, weld it, spot weld it, and then weld the rest of the exhaust, and this is what it looked like. So yeah, so if you order this kind of parts, you're gonna have to do some modification. Maybe you can find a way. So but for me, this is the fastest way to do. So yeah, okay, this is just the comparison to the one that we installed. It's got this burnt tip. Alright, so we're gonna start the car and listen to the song.